first of all, it's obviously a credit to guys and girls back at the workshop. To where these cars were a bit over a month and a half ago to where they are now is amazing to see it all kind of come together. Cars look fantastic in their new liveries. It's awesome to have Holdsworth back at WAU. We've got a super strong co-driver lineup, with him and Fabs, and me and Nick. We're excited to see how we go for the year.
Pretty exciting. I'm really pumped to be back with the team, and they've all made me feel very welcome. Back with Chaz, just feels like home.
We obviously didn't get to try and defend the Bathurst 1000 last year together. I think we got a bit of redemption this year after coming runner-up as well. But saying that, so many things have changed from last year to this year. We've got a new car, and we'll see what the strengths and weaknesses are like throughout the year.